Hello traders, welcome to Eagle Eye FX, your number one online channel for your price action trading. In this video, I'll be going through market overview on three pairs: USDCAD, USDJPY, and USDZAR. So guys, remember to show some love by supporting us, by subscribing to this channel, by hitting the notification bell so that anytime we post a video, you don't miss out on it, and also like this video and share it. All right, so let's start with USDCAD. So I'm on a daily time frame. All right, so I've already marked my zone. So this is the highest I've seen a USDCAD going. There's a touch here and a touch here, and there's a touch here with definitely this was a fake out. All right, this was a fake out. There's a touch here, so that becomes a zone. And also there's also another touch here, and there's also another touch here, and there's also another touch there, so that becomes my another zone there. Then down here also you see there's a touch here, which was the resistance, and then you see support, then you see support, and now we are at that particular level. And then I've drawn this trend line over here because one thing I've observed is that USDCAD was respecting this trend line. Okay, because you see that when it got here, it went up, came here again, pushed up. Then the market tends to reverse every time it reaches this point over there. So that's the reason why I've drawn my trend line. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see now clearly this zone that I drew here that was acting as a support, then resistance, resistance here, and then support and support. Then you can see that this market has come all the way here, all right, and then has formed a double bottom. So you can see this this a double bottom over there, so which gives you a confirmation of a reversal to me. And there are so many confirmations here. Number one, I see this double bottom. Number two, there's this horizontal trend supporting trend line, and then there's also this diagonal trend line, okay, which is acting as a what? Which is acting as my support. So this is already, you can enter this market. You can see, even though it is gone halfway, but I still believe that you can enter here, and maybe even if you target this level here, almost 100 pips. All right, he has already confirmed this. So for me, USDCAD, I think here it's a buy. What I'll do is I'll just put my stop loss just below the zone over there, just in case, because it might come back again, you know, try to get more momentum to go up. We don't know, or if it just continues going up, then that is fine. All right, so you can decide to enter now, or you can decide to wait for it to see if it's gonna come back and do a retest again. So you can enter there. It is a 1:1, or you can target up there, or maybe you can go further to 1-hour time frame. Then on the 1-hour time frame, what you can do is that you can see that there is some sort of level here. Okay, there's some sort of level over there, because you see this level was acting as a support here, some small rejection here, and then you see rejection here to the downside up to somewhere around here. Then you see here the market came, did some consolidation, and then you see some resistance to the downside, and then you see the double bottom that I was talking about. So there are two possibilities here actually. This market could easily come back. Okay, this market could easily come back this way. All right, let me use this color. Okay, so this is another possibility that this market can do something like that. But now, if it doesn't do that, if we see a break of that structure over there, which you can see that the market is trying to break the structure there, there's also some sort of like a pin bar there. So if it breaks that level, then maybe if you want more confirmation, you can wait for a break and a retest before, you know, going long, before entering your buy positions. All right, so if it does that, then you can see that you can enter your buy here, then just put your stop loss just below these ones over here, and then you can see that you can target, you can get almost 5 times actually, you know. Let's maybe increase the stop loss just a bit like below this. Okay, so you can see that we are going for a 1:2 1:3. Sorry for that. So you see, enter your buy there, put your stop loss somewhere around there, just below this, and then we are going for 3 times. Okay, we are going for 3 times on Usdcad, and you can see that it's quite a move because it's almost 100 pips. So that's what I'm seeing on Usdcad. This is live, so you can take advantage of that. And remember, guys, this is not a financial advice I'm giving. It's just my ideas of what I think and what I'm seeing the market behaving. So remember to always use proper risk management. Okay, use proper risk management, and yeah, so that you don't end up blowing up your account. Okay, let's go to our second pair, which is USDJPY, and I want to start from the daily time frame. So USDJPY, from the daily time frame, you can see I drew these 2 zones over here, or trend line, because I saw a touch here, then I saw another touch here, then I saw another touch over there, then down here I saw 1 touch and 2 touch, and then I see 3 touch. So that's the reason why I drew those trend line like that. All right, yeah, because I see at least several touches. Then another thing here, the reason why I've drawn this zone here is because you see resistance here and resistance here, then you see support. So I drew that trend line over there. Okay, and then over here also you see rejection here, there's a break to the trend line, and then you see comes back, rejection, then there's a break, and then you see the market came and then found support, then went back again. And already from what you can see, it's like it's going to form something like a double top. All right, so perhaps this market might actually complete this before it either comes down to this level, or even maybe go further up to down over there, because it is already down here, then it has gone up. So definitely I'm expecting this market to come down all the way. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame you can see that this market is trying to come back. So we can actually do something like this. Okay, we can do something like that, because you can see that this market is being rejected over there. And then also I think here now you can enter your sales and put your stop loss just above this one over here. Then you can go for actually around 2.7 times. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on USD JPY. I'm seeing selling opportunities. So what can make this market invalid, or my setup invalid, is if this market comes all the way to test this before it comes down, because perhaps it might come all the way to complete the M formation, or it can decide to just do the M formation that way. All right, so that's also a direct one. It's very straightforward on USDJPY. That's actually what I'm seeing already. Let's go to my last pair for today, which is USDZAR. Right, USD dollar versus the South African rand. So what you can see here on the daily time frame, if I zoom this in, you can see here I drew this my level because I saw rejection here, and here. All right, then also maybe I think I started further up to there. Yeah, okay, I started from the weekly time frame, so I drew these levels here because I saw touches here, then these 2 touches here that has been respected. Okay, then also the reason why I drew this zone here, remember we are interested at what is currently happening on the market. Then you see that there's this level here and here, then we have another touch here of rejection, a break, then comes back, rejection, and rejection, and then now we are hoping that, and the probability is that if this market is not able to break, then it's gonna come down. All right, so when we go to the daily time frame also, you see that I came and then I added this place because I saw support here and here, then a break, and then I saw rejection, and then a break, and then another break, And then yeah, so this level, because of this 1 2 3 4 5 touches, I drew that level because this market can easily turn from this level, or it can break and find support to the downside from this particular level over there. Then also down here there was a support here and support here. That is the reason why I drew my zone over there. So from this also you can see that this market could easily come here, before it starts going down, or this level here. You can see that when this market came all the way, it got rejected over here. So perhaps this is forming a double top for it to actually start going down. And as you can see, it is also forming like the M formation I was talking about, which is a sign of reversal. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, there's also another level I drew inside here, okay, because I saw rejection here, then I saw the market breaking and finding support, coming to this level and got rejected. Then I just come back to this level, which is also near to this our overall weekly resistance. So you can easily enter your sales here, okay, and maybe put your stop loss somewhere around there. Then maybe you can target this place, which is at 2.5. all right, so that's also I'm seeing on USDZAR. I'm seeing selling opportunities. All right, I'm seeing selling opportunities because, and my confirmation is that, look, I'm at this resisting zone on the 4-hour time frame. Then also you can see that this is the weekly resisting zone. So that's also another confirmation. But what now can invalidate this setup? If this market decides to come and actually test this weekly resistance before it goes down all the way there. So that is what can consider and make my setup become invalid. But as at now, I can already see a rejection here. I see the market, the sellers are trying to push the market down, okay, and then there's this pin bar here. So perhaps you can just be patient and wait to see how this market is going to close. If it closes below this one with this pin bar, then you can enter your sales, and then you can target at this level over here. Then you can see that it's almost 2.6. So definitely take some profits in between here. When you move one time into floating profit, you can adjust your stop loss to break even, then keep adjusting your stop loss till you hit your target. The moment you notice that the market is breaking this level, then you can still continue holding further down up to all the way down here. Then you can see that this is a 1:5. So you can move on adjusting your stop loss, all right, so that you see if maybe you can be able to catch this overall move down all the way. All right, so that is what I'm seeing on these particular pairs. That's what I'm seeing on this particular pairs. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much. Remember, if you want to join our free Telegram group, it's really growing. The link is on the description below. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.